a benediction composed by the Paramacharya of Kanchi. It was rendered by the maestro Srimati M.S. Subbalakshmi at the United Nations in 1966 to commemorate UN Day. The song and its meaning is said to have moved several dignitaries at the convention to tears. Still relevant and more so in today's troubled world, the song seeks for friendship which can conquer all hearts. Renounce war and aggression, it says. Mother Earth has enough to give all of us. Let us learn to share and care for each other, and let us usher in a new world which abounds in peace and prosperity.